In just a month, the Election Commission of India's Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Rolls has covered 99.8% voters in Bihar. That's a whopping 7.23 crore people whose forms were submitted and digitized. In a first such exercise that has taken place in over 2 decades, the EC's aim is to weed out duplicate, shifted or deceased voters from the electoral rolls before Bihar goes to polls in a few months.
पुनरीक्षण के लिए बीएलओ साहब आए, उनसे कागजात मांगे, वोटर आईडी आधार कार्ड दिए, एक फॉर्म दिए, फॉर्म भरे, तो पीछे हम हस्ताक्षर किए।
तो हमारे पास तो बैंक का खाता भी था, लगा दिए हैं। और मेरा बच्चा है तो उसको जो है मैट्रिक का सर्टिफिकेट लगा दिए।
As part of the cleanup, the EC marked 66 lakh voters in the state as deceased, permanently shifted, enrolled at multiple places, or untraceable.
Bihar's socio-political balance is sensitive, and even a minor tweak can turn the tide in some constituencies. The revision drive has thus attracted all the scrutiny from the political spectrum. On the ground, the process becomes tougher to maintain than on paper. The revision drive too encountered some unique challenges. Awareness seems to be patchy. While some voters have filled up the forms and submitted them, others do not have clarity about the process.
फॉर्म लेकर के आया था नगर निगम वाला।
नगर निगम भी थे, उसके साथ कोई कागज भी देना पड़ा?
न कुछ नहीं, वो खाली आधार कार्ड और वोटर लिस्ट वाला कार्ड के फोटो।
The major confusion was whether the booth level officers were visiting or one had to go to the booth to get the forms.
हम गए थे, यहाँ तो बीएलओ तक नहीं आया, आज तक नहीं आया पूछने बीएलओ के यहाँ वोटर है मेरा यहाँ कहाँ पर।
हाँ, अभी हमारा अभी नहीं गया, लिस्ट में नहीं आया, सब क्या आ गया लेकिन पैकेट क्या हमारा नहीं आया।
While the forms have been filled out and the documents submitted, many across Bihar still lack clarity. And it's not just the citizens, but the booth-level officers who are part of the EC's machinery to conduct the mammoth drive are confused as well. The major challenge they faced was the time constraint.
घर घर जाना इतना कम समय में बहुत मुश्किल हो जा रहा है। लोग बूथ पे भी आ जाते हैं, यहाँ से आकर फ़ोन करते हैं, और हम लोग एरिया में रहते हैं तो बूथ पे आदमी आकर लौट जाता है, शिकायत कर देता है, फ़ोन करता है।
समय अगर मिलता ना तो बहुत सुंदर से निकल के आता चीज।
Even in and around state capital Patna, people were not aware of the entire process or how to get their forms and submit them.
आसपास को जो जागरूक नहीं है उसको थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रहा है। और क्या
अभी मिलवे ना कि कहाँ भरे, हम पैर उठा हम जा ही नहीं सकते।
तो बीएलओ नहीं आए हैं आपके यहाँ?
नहीं आया हम लोग के पास।
The EC listed 11 specific documents for the new inclusions. Once the matter reached the Supreme Court, the Election Commission was urged to consider Aadhaar and ration cards as an eligible document as well. And many across Bihar has submitted just their Aadhaar as proof.
The Special Intensive Revision Drive also raised a few logistical challenges. Bihar is affected by floods this time of the year, and it is also the sowing season in the state.
While the ruling NDA welcomed the EC's move, the opposition led by RJD and Congress has expressed concerns over the process being used selectively to disenfranchise traditional vote banks. Protests have erupted not just in Bihar but have reached the parliament too. The EC, however, emphasized on the fact that the process is neutral and assured all political parties that no voter will be deleted without due process. All eyes are now on Bihar, not just because of the revision drive or the upcoming polls, but because the EC in a recent order said that this exercise will now be conducted across the country.